Welcome. Now I introduce conditional formatting rules. Conditional formatting rules may use to summarize data in a worksheet. These rules apply to cells with specific condition. So let's check out. First, select the cell reference range. In Home tab, Styles group, click Conditional Formatting arrow button. Move your pointer on the highlight cell rules to display the list of rules. Click Greater Than button. The Greater Than dialog box opens. In dialog box, you have two options. In this box, I set condition for formatting cells. Let's suppose I type 150. From this box, you can select the background and font color of text. I select this option, click OK. In selected range, those cells have values greater than 150, they were highlighted. You can see 160 is greater than 150, it is highlighted with red color. So, again click Conditional Formatting arrow button, click Clear Rules button, clear the rules. Now click Conditional Formatting arrow button, move your cursor on highlight cell rules to display the list of rules. Now this time click Less Than button. In Less Than argument dialog box, select 30. Click OK. Now you can see in selected range, those cells have values less than 30, they were highlighted. Now click this cell. I type 32. Press enter. Now you can see the format of this cell has been changed because the value of this cell now is 32. It is greater than 30. So conditional formatting is a dynamic formatting. It changes by changing the value of cells.